morning everyone. My name is Sanjay.
And my name is DAKSH. We both are studying in CAPSTONE High, Bengaluru, Karnataka.
And we both are studying in grade 6. Our project is disaster proof telecommunication network integrating both quantum and optical fiber technology to stay connected with their loved ones during natural calamities. On December 2023, Toothukudi, a district in Tamil Nadu, was flooded and havoc by heavy rainfall. I tried to contact my grandparents, but I couldn't contact them due to signal breakdown. And the physical connectivity was also damaged due to the heavy rainfall. So I couldn't contact my grandparents for more than a week. And the recent floods in Bengaluru and landslides in Kerala, Meghalaya, Assam and Uttarakhand has worried us a lot. From that day on, we started to look out for the problems in the conventional telecommunication network.
The problems in the conventional model are the copper wire cable is not robust or disaster resilient. Secondly, the base stations run on fuels like petrol and diesel. If they run fuel, the communication is interrupted. And last but not least, there is data loss because of signal issues.
So now, let's look at some principal views which include the quantum principle such as superposition. So superposition is where the data is represented in more than one state at a time. For example, 1 and 0 or 0 and 1 instead of only 1 or only 0. The other principle is known as entanglement. Entanglement is the principle where all the data are interconnected. So, if there is a change in one, then the other data takes the help from it and fixes the data fault, which helps in preventing the data loss. Thirdly, the power over fiber. So, this is an optical fiber channel that carries both the information and power signal at different wavelengths using wavelength division multiplexing at redundant paths. So, if one path is damaged, then the data automatically reroute itself to the other path. And then the quantum processor, which is present in the mobile switching center, is used to process a large amount of data.
The application for this model is mostly used in floods and landslides. We used optical fiber instead of copper wires because it is robust and disaster resilient, and the base station gets power from the optical fiber so that it can function properly. And the optical fiber provides power to the base stations and the quantum processor, which prevents data loss.
So now let's look at the flowchart. So first, the microphone in the user's mobile converts the voice into electrical signal, and the encoder converts the electrical signal into qubits, and a quantum dot, which is an external supply, converts the quantum bits into photons. Then it is sent to the optical fiber channel, which carries both power and information signal at various wavelengths using wavelength division multiplexing. Then it is sent to the base station at redundant paths. Then here starts the switching phase, where it is sent to the base station controller, which is the aggregation point of multiple base stations. Then the backhaul network using the optical fiber channel carries the power signal, which helps giving power to the quantum processor in the mobile switching center. The mobile switching center is very important as it is used for international calls, internet browsing. It has various components such as VLR, Virtual Location Register, HLR, Home Location Register, EIR, Equipment Identity Register. Then it is sent to the nearby base station of the receiver. Then the decoder converts the optical signal into electrical signal. And in the receiver's mobile, the loudspeaker converts the electrical signal into voice. So now, my friend DAKSH will help you understand this project.
In this project, if we talk through this microphone, it transmittal, go through the optical fiber link, then reach this receiver, and then
It
go
can
to
be-
the loudspeaker so that it can be heard.
Now my friend, that will show right an example of it.
Hello, I need help. Like how I talk through this microphone, the voice goes to this transmitter through the optical fiber link, then to the receiver and out of the loudspeaker. And now my friend Sanjay will explain this model over here.
So, in this model, we learn about how voice is transmitted. But let's see of how the messages or SMS is transmitted. So, firstly, when people are in disasters, they'll be very scared and they can't type long sentences or they can't speak. So for that, we can keep certain code language. For example, 6, 7, 8. 6 means the place where we live, which is the location, such as hospital. 7. 7 means which kind of disaster, for example, floods. 8. 8 means we need emergency services, such as the helicopter. So here when I type the number 8, it gets displayed over here, which means I need a helicopter service. So now the conclusion. Finally, our disaster-proof telecommunication network is made
complete.
and it is proved to overcome the problem of the conventional telecommunication network. So, it can be leveraged into BSNL for wide coverage and uninterrupted communication.
We give a great thanks to our teachers like the science HOD, HOS and our science teacher to help us because they guided us through this invaluable journey.
Thank you.